Okay, this will be the last stage where there are two terms of the subject. Okay, now for example, the first question, you got 5 times y, there's 5y, and then 2 times y, there's 2y. So there's two terms of y, which y is the subject. Okay, let's do the first one. First one is y minus 1 equal to 2, y plus 3. Now before you do anything, you can actually expand it. So it's 5y minus 5, 2y, 2 times 3 becomes 6. Bring the 2y to the left hand side. So it's 5y minus 2y. This bring over become 6 was original here, and then this bring over become change the sign, become plus 5. So this become 11, this become 3y. So y become 11 over 3. Okay. Basically, if you divide by 3, you cancel off, but this side divide by 3. So you get 11 over 3. Okay. Get it? So 11 over 3. But you don't stop here. You must convert into a proper fraction. So it's 3, 2 over 3. Okay. Now, let's look at this one, 6. Okay. My minus c equals e minus ny. Now, there's a y term here and there's another y term here. So I want to combine them. So bring it over here. Because this is negative, so it's better to bring it to the left hand side. So my bring over become positive ny. This one bring over become e plus c. This one become positive. Now, how do you proceed from here? Okay, now take out the common factor, which is y. Okay. Okay. Y exists in this term. Y also exists in this term. So y is a common factor. I take out y, and I put a bracket. Now the next step is how do I remove m plus n and make y as the subject only. So what you do is you purposely divide by n. The same thing. Whatever you do on the left, you do on the right. Okay. Now this cancel off. So left with y equal to e plus c equal to m plus n. Okay. That's for number 6. We can try 9 again. Okay. Now ay minus x equal to z plus by. Okay. Now I bring this to the left hand side. Ay minus b, okay, y equal to z plus x. X change over the right hand side become positive. Now same thing, y is a common factor for both of these. So I take out the common factor. Okay. Now, so after that I divide by a minus b on this side, by a minus b on this side. So this one cancel with this. So I left with y equal to z plus x, a minus b. Okay. Now, let's go and do some which is even more complicated. What about this? Okay, 12. 12 is a minus y and then a plus y equal to b. Okay, now same step. I multiply, okay, this time this, this time this, okay, but this time this remains the same. Time 1, don't need to show times 1, just write this remain. So it's b a plus y. Okay, now, and then you got b times b a, and then by. Okay, now you got minus y, you got plus by. So it's better to bring this over here to get a positive y. So whatever term doesn't have y like ba, move it to the left hand side. Okay, so it's by. This bring over become plus y. Okay, now remember plus y means plus 1y. So the common factor in this case is y. So b plus 1 equal to y. A minus b a. Okay, now same thing, divided by b plus 1 is b plus 1. Okay, so this cancel off. So you have y a minus ab b plus 1. That's it. Okay, now it's the same. Now let's look at a slightly more complicated one. What about 16? Okay, 16 is y plus m equal to 2y minus 5 over m. Okay, how to do this? Put this as a 1. So to cross multiply, m times y plus m equal to 1 times this, but then it's just no difference, so just 2y minus 5. Expand the bracket, I got my plus m times m become m squared is 2y minus 5. Okay, 2y minus 5. What you do is I move this to the left hand side. Why? Because I want to put all the y term together, which I'm supposed to make as a subject. So this is minus 5. This bring over minus m squared. Okay, what I can do is take out the y as the common factor. Minus 5 minus m2. Now divided m minus 2 again. M minus 2. So this cancel. So you get a y equal to minus 5 minus m squared over m minus 2. That's it. You can make y the subject. Okay. Now this would be the same. Now what about this 19? Okay, let me do 19 over here. 19 slightly different. ay plus x over x equal to 4 minus y. Okay, this actually is over 1. Now let's cross multiply. So ay plus x multiplied by 1 is still get the same thing, but this one move over here become x times 4 minus y. Okay, now ay plus x equal to x times 4 become 4x. X times minus y become minus xy. Now I'm going to bring the y term to this side. So ay bring over become plus xy. This one 4x bring over become minus x, which give you 3x. Okay, so now no space. Let's let's do it down here. So what I have is ay plus xy. So take out a common factor. So a plus x. I have a y. Now for x minus x in on the right hand side, you have 3x. Okay, so now you divide a plus x